Hey, this is 1st of December 2024, and today I want to, get you through this journey where I'm learning machine learning, and I want to help people are, that are doing the same to, share my learning such that they can do the same and they can watch me and maybe improve something or, help the community as well. So I'm I'm learning machine learning. I went through the course of Harvard CS50 course that is available on Free Code Camp YouTube channel, and I went through it. It was very good. It gave me the basic insights of what are in machine learning. They start with the basics like pandas library, optimization, prediction, Markov chain, and then they uh, take it all the way to NLP, natural language processing, then deep learning, then neural networks. Great course, and I just want to show you the course. So Howard CS50 machine learning. He's a great teacher as well. Where is it? Yeah, this one. So please do go through this course. And today we are here. So what I've done is I have given. I'm learning through ChatGPT. I went through courses and now I know a little bit basics of machine learning and all. And I gave this thing to like ChatGPT, and where is my thing? Okay, so I told him like, hey ChatGPT, as I told you, I'm learning Python, so create a plan for me for the next 31 days such that I can go through each and every course, each and every fundamental of Python, starting from the very basics to the complex level. So ChatGPT has defined a great path for me, and you all can use this as well. Like week 1, week 2, and they give tasks. Like day 1 was setting up, then today only I started and today I completed like 3 days. So the first day was setting up the environment. It was very easy as I started up in Google Colab. Then the day 2 was Python and linear algebra, where I learned about NumPy. NumPy is a Python library uh, which deals with numerical values like matrix multiplication, whatever numerical things and operation that you have want to do, you can do it with NumPy. I'm not an expert on it, but I know the basics like why NumPy is used. Then day 3 was dealing with pandas. Pandas is a library which deals with data sets. You can load a data set, get insights on it, have it describe something, see the data, sort the data, aggregate some results on top of the data. And ChatGPT also gives you some mini projects, you know. So let me just take you through day 4 that I am on right now. And it's a great thing, man. Like before this, I had to go through each and every tutorial and find what is the best for me. Now I can do it on a self-paced manner, and wherever I'm stuck, I can just ask ChatGPT, and it is a great help. You also can use this thing to learn whatever technologies or get hands on it, because what used to happen is I was stuck in this tutorial hell, where you go from one tutorial to the next to the other, but you know things, you understand the concepts, but you're not actually able to code. So that is the mistake that I'm not going to do while doing machine learning. And another thing that I've learned about machine learning is very conceptual. It's The coding part is not that important as much as the concepts. If you know the concepts on a deeper level, and you don't have to know all the concepts, like if you're working on neural network, you have to know everything about neural network on a deep conceptual level. Once you learn that, once you know what are the concepts, how weights are changed, what is a neural network, how to work with this, then it's easier to code. Like Python is just a way to communicate, but machine learning is a branch of mathematics that helps you deal with data. So if you have a very conceptual understanding, it will be very good for you to understand and go through each and everything. So I hope that the audio is recording well. So let's get started. So my task for the day 4 is like this. So we are going through simple wait a minute. Okay, so introduction to supervised learning, that is day 4. So today we will explore supervised learning, a core concept in machine learning. We will cover concepts of supervised learning, types, classification versus regression, simple linear regression mini project. Concepts of supervised learning. In supervised learning, the models learn from labeled data. So we can ask more about it. Inputs, data used to make predictions, like data used to make predictions, and output is the target value the model aims to predict. Okay, so in supervised learning we will have a data set on which we will train our model to make predictions, and then our output will be, we'll give them a random value through which they can get a result. That is what I think is supervised learning. Supervised learning is uh, like let's say with a prediction, I have the data of past 10 years, I will give it to a machine learning algorithm. They will go through the machine learning algorithm will go through the 10 years of data, and it will find the patterns in it, like what was 1st of December 10 years from now, what was it 5 years from now, and it will know the climate, it will know the weather changes, and it will be able to predict. Then once I train this model, then i will I will take a random value, like what will be the weather on 3rd of December, and it will be able to predict in on based on the data I've trained it on trained upon. Okay, so I think you understood. Yeah, you definitely did. So the thing is, input features, types of supervised learning. So there are two types of supervised learning, that is classification and regression. Predicts discrete labels, and regression predicts continuous values. Okay, so the mini project is simple linear regression. Predict a person's weight based on their height. Okay, load and visualize data. All right. So what we should do is run the code, analyze the result, change the height in prediction step, and observe how the model responds. Bonus, try a different data set. All right. Okay, let's jump right into it. Let's run this code. I'm learning, I'm trying to get as much like hands-on as possible, so I'm going to type this code, but I will try to do it quick. Some of the values I can copy for this tutorial, but let's type. This is my day 1 as PD. Okay, then import matplotlib. I've not learned about this library, matplotlib, so let me just learn about it. Okay, so let me just copy this and let's run. Let's see what we are doing. So see, basically what we are doing here is import pandas as PD. We are importing a pandas library which will deal with some data file. Then import matplotlib. It is a library that helps us to plot charts, like graphs and all. Then we have some data that we are going to train it upon. Okay, then df.data frame, we imported our data, then we created a graph. Okay, in this thing we loaded our data and we created a graph. That is what I know. Scatter df, I don't know about matplotlib. Like recent, I know about it, I have studied it in the past, but as of now I don't know about it, so I'm going to learn more about it. So let me just increase it. So the height is, if you are 150, then 50 kgs of weight, 160, 60 and 65, it's okay, it's proportional. Then from sklearn linear model, import linear regression. Okay, so in today's tutorial, I will basically tell you how I am going through my learning process. So this mini project it's going to take time to solve. So I will just tell you what I'm going to do. So see, here I saw this library, matplotlib.pyplot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to learn more about it. Okay, first I will ask ChatGPT, because I don't know it, right? I need hands-on on what is matplotlib. I need to see what are these plt scatter functions and all. So I will say, hey, just give a small tutorial with a mini project on matplotlib library. So it gave me a tutorial which I will go through, and same I will do for this one. So what I will do is, here it said na, like regression and classification, and in this mini project it's using linear regression. So I will ask ChatGPT to give me some, okay, same, do the same for linear regression. So I will take these. So this was a huge task of day 4. Then I divided it into small tasks that I will be doing. So that is how I'm learning, and that is what I wanted to share in this video. I will definitely keep you updated about the other things that I'm learning, and I would like everyone to share your learnings as well. And the main thing that I want to do through these videos is to share my work, share my learning, whatever I'm learning. I want to learn together with the community. And yeah, that's the goal. Yes. So peace. Thanks for joining.